No. Oh no. What the Okay, I'm going to open the door and you will leave, okay? Okay, are we agreed? Are you serious? How did you even get in there? No. Okay, luckily I closed that window. Alright. I just closed the window. Oh my god. I saw him on camera and I went out here. And before I went out here, I luckily closed the window. Okay, I'm leaving. The door's open. Please go away. Okay, I know you are really young. Honey, don't go into the cage. Don't go into the cage. I beg you. Go inside. Go inside, please. There's nothing here for you to see. Absolutely nothing here for you to see. Bye-bye.